I got a bread maker. I got a bread maker. Gonna make some bread with my bread maker. I just wanna make this bread. I've got everything organized, but the smoke detector keeps going off and I won't stop. I'm gonna lose my mind. Where's Marley? He's hiding in there. There's a Mika under there. And there's a Lily somewhere. I don't know where. It says it's an hour and a half. It's kneading the dough. Put the yeast in there and stuff. I thought it could be good to take a quick little video of it before it does its thing. See how much it rises. Yeah. I had to stop the last recording. The freaking smoke detector started to go off again. But it's getting most of the you can't really see. It's starting to warm up. But I was gonna stream it. But with this freaking smoke detector keep going off. Big dance, 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 big dance. Break dance. In a basic French, whole wheat sweet, express 680 grams, express 90 grams, yeast free, continental, dough, gluten free. You can even make jam, you can make yogurt too. It doesn't make sense, but you can make some yogurt too.